Hello, I'm David Smith. I'm a cardiologist, a member and deacon at the Pleasant Valley Church of Christ in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I have been working in Haiti since 1984. On September 2nd at 2 a.m. in the morning, I received a phone call from Gaston Passius. I knew that it was going to be bad news, and as I heard the screams and cries in the background, Passius told me that he was climbing to the top of his roof to escape the 12 feet of floodwaters which had seeped in below him. For the next 36 hours, Haiti was pounded by Hurricane Hannah, and it caused one of the greatest hurricane destructions in that country's history. The famous Dr. Paul Farmer, a physician, said that, "I have been in Haiti for 25 years and grew up in Florida. I must honestly say that I have never seen anything as painful as what I witnessed in Gonaives." Our development farm, with all of its 40 goats and many other animals, were drowned or swept downstream. But even more painful than that were our Christian brothers and sisters who lost their homes and their meager possessions. This is a very painful time for special friends that we have known and worked with for decades. In spite of all this destruction, we have a very concrete plan for helping the people. We have a long history of 25 years of working in Haiti, and over the last several years we've developed a farm where people have come to learn appropriate agricultural methods, and it's waiting to be renewed, restocked with animals, and to get it back on its feet. We have a tractor in the port which was not harmed, and we're going to be able to work with the people to help them get their gardens back. We have worked over the last 4 years, and we have 120 people enrolled in a very successful microloan program. We have many great plans that we can do to help the people. We need your help, though, in order that we can have the funding necessary to enable these people to help themselves as they have in the past. There are proud people who want to recover, and again, with the help of the Lord, they will recover. After being on the roof for 48 hours in the flood and the rain and the wind, Passius escaped with his life. We encouraged Passius to go to Port-au-Prince and to rest up for several days. He stayed for 24 hours. He got dry clothes, and then he went right back to the people. He said, "David, the people need me." He's a godly man. He came back to help the people get relief, and he's still doing that day and night. He's a man who needs our support and our encouragement, and he needs our funds to help him be able to do what needs to be done with the people. Would you like to participate in this project? We would love, and we really need you to do so. If you would be willing to contact us at Haiti Christian Development Project, our address is 10100 Canis Road, Little Rock 72205, or feel free to look on our website, hcdp.net. We need your help. Thank you.